Welcome to today's video on the science-backed plant-based diet for weight loss and better health. 1. In this video, we will be exploring the numerous health benefits of a plant-based diet and how it can help you achieve your weight loss and health goals. 1. Weight loss benefits. 1. One of the most significant benefits of a plant-based diet is weight loss. 1. Research has shown that people who follow a plant-based diet tend to have a lower body mass index, BMI, compared to those who consume animal products. 2. This is because plant-based diets are naturally lower in calories and fat and higher in fiber, which promotes feelings of fullness and can lead to weight loss. 3. Additionally, a plant-based diet is nutrient-dense, providing a large number of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while being low in calories. 3. This helps regulate metabolism, which can aid in weight loss. 2. Improved overall health. 1. A plant-based diet can also improve overall health by reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 2. This is because plant-based diets are rich in nutrients that have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood sugar control. 3. For example, plant-based diets are high in antioxidants, which protect against cellular damage, and phytochemicals, which have been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers. 3. Gut health. 1. Plant-based diets are also great for gut health. 1. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, and plant-based diets are rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 2. A healthy gut microbiome can improve digestion, boost the immune system, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. 4. Environmental impact. 1. Finally, a plant-based diet can also have a positive impact on the environment. 1. By reducing our consumption of animal products, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserve water and land, and decrease the use of antibiotics in livestock. Conclusion. 1. In conclusion, a plant-based diet can provide numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved overall health, and a positive impact on the environment. 2. If you're looking to make a change in your diet, consider incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals. 2. Start with small steps, such as having a plant-based breakfast or trying a meatless Monday. 3. Remember, a healthy diet is not about restriction but rather about finding a balance and incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your meals. 4. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in showing the benefits of a plant-based diet for weight loss and better health. 4. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on healthy living and wellness.